Hi, this is Stan. Welcome back to the Crow's Nest Railroad. Let's get out of the shop and go for a road trip. Come on along. Well, let's head out to the Maricopa Live Steamers Railroad, and I want you to meet Ken, who is visiting here from California, and he brought his beautiful Pacific locomotive, and we got a chance to look at it, ride on it, and kind of hear some of the details of how he built it and just why. So let's get going.
Introduce myself?
Yeah, so
okay,
Ken,
my name is Ken Mitsch. I'm from northern Los Angeles County. What I have is an 1.5 inch Pacific, which would be a passenger locomotive. This started out as a little engine Pacific. The chassis is all stock little engines, and I beefed it up and made a heavy Pacific out of it. I started building this in September of 2001. I ran the first time December 7th, 2011. And I do have a YouTube channel. It's called, I think it's under Fire and Steam, all words. Or you can probably do it under my name, Ken Mitsch, M-I-T-S-C-H. But there's a video on my channel of this running the very first time.
I'll put a link down there so
Okay.
people can just click on the link.
Yeah, click on the link right there, wherever.
Yeah.
The number 824 is in honor of my dad, who was a fan of this kind of stuff, and he used to go to the meets with me. But he passed away in a car accident 2 years before it ran the first time, in 2009. But originally, the number was going to be 343 in honor of the 343 firemen that perished on 9/11, because I'm a retired firefighter. So, in honor of the firemen, my serial number is 343 on the builder's plate there.
Let me zoom in on that.
Yeah. I don't know what else I can tell you.
That's a big beefy boiler though. Is that an oversized boiler?
It's a bigger boiler than little engines design. And we tested the chassis with a lot of weight. I had a smaller boiler sitting on it, and I added 500 pounds. I put 10 bags of water softener, 10 50-pound bag, stacked it on the boiler, ran it up and down the side of my house, and watched the suspension. The leaf springs were actually, bent over like they're supposed to, and it handled it just fine. So we built a heavier boiler, and I've got 40 pounds of lead hidden underneath the jacketing, just to add more weight to it.
Well, we've already been treated to one ride this morning. We're going to take off. We're going to leave the station here at Maricopa Live Steamer for another fantastic ride.
brakes go down a little bit. Put him up on the top now.
Be sure to check out Ken's website. Ken, that's so awesome to meet you and to see this beautiful locomotive. The detail on this is amazing. The plumbing, the piping is beautiful.
Well, I had a lot of help. You can't do this. This is not a one-man project. And I had some real big names in this hobby help me. Jim Kreider, for one, who offered the Berkshire years ago. Jack Bodeman, Harry Haas, and numerous others. You know, so it's not all me.
Well, Ken, it's a delight to meet you. Thanks so much.
Pleasure mine.
Wow, that was fantastic. Such a great time meeting Ken and talking with him. He's a super cool guy. Beautiful locomotive. I will put a link down below so that you can check out his website and see some more detailed pictures of his build. Well, that's going to wrap it up this week. Thank you so much for joining us here on the Crow's Nest Railroad. See you right here next time.